Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Warren County, southern Vance County, Franklin County, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Franklinton, or 11 miles west of Lewisburg, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Henderson, Lewisburg, Franklinton, Kittrell, Bunn, Youngsville, Centerville, Ingleside, Gilbert, and Afton. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Franklin, Vance, and Warren.